Let's talk about DMCA. Maybe you have a copycat that is just copying you and impacting negatively your business. Or maybe you have just someone attacking you, like leaving you like copyright forms without you actually do anything, or you don't actually know what you can actually do. So let me share with you some options, and that will help you protect your ads, protect your content, and also defend yourself from those attacks from people, competitors that might be playing with you. All right, so let's jump right into it. At Moose from Limited Scaling, we have many magic plugs, solution, whatever it is, to help you scale your ecom business without blocks, without issues. So if you want to know more about this, check our Discord channel, and there is beautiful things to do together. I'm sure about this. So regarding DMCA, it's very important that you do something, because if you don't do something, your business runs, everything goes right, and from a day to another you start receiving DMCA notice, and it's just a competitor that's seeing that you start making good money, whatever, and start to try to get a part of your pie, right? Take a cut of your market, right? So you don't want this. You want to be sure that you're protecting what you built. That way, if someone is trying to do something, it's the one that is going to be restricted. So a good way to do it, for example, in your photo videos, you can just add like a just simple logo of what you do. You can ask your team to do this. And then what we can do is we can submit DMCA forms to DMCA themselves, and they can get those other contents shut down very quickly. It's very impressive how you can get like some URLs of people that copying you, get them shut down very quick. So if you guys are interested with this, we can discuss about it. We can see what is your competitor doing, what notice you're receiving. And it's very important to act quick, to be the one in offensive and not to be the one in defensive. Because if you just like try to defend, it's usually too late, because the guy against you already said, okay, this is mine. You have to claim that this is yours. You have to say that, okay, the way I did it now, it's mine. You might be thinking, yeah, but it's Chinese product, whatever. It's fine. You can just have a quick relooking, a very quick relooking, and boom, it's become yours, because you have your brand on it, your name on it, whatever it is, and then we can submit this. But don't worry, guys. My goal is to make this easy for you. So if it's your case and you want to protect yourself from DMCA, or file DMCA to some people that might be copying your business, contact me and let's define a plan together on how to do this. Okay? So subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more content like this, more solutions that can help you scale your ecom business. And let's meet in another one.